Hi, I'm Wendy at Holy Scrap Hot Springs. Today we're making a pallet chair. So this is in the style of the Adirondack chairs that you lean back into, which I've always really liked. And as you may have noticed, pallets are pretty abundant in the trash. This is a big pallet. The rest of it's over there. And this was, a friend of mine got some wood delivered, and they delivered it on this giant pallet. So we're chopping it up. And we just made the seat, or at least part of it. We're going to put more boards here, so this is where your bum will go, and this will be a double, a two-seater. And then we're going to cut another piece of pallet off, we'll show you in a bit, and it's going to go here, and that's the back. And we just use regular bolts. We're putting in 2 more legs here for stability, and then we'll add the back onto it, and we'll see how it goes. We did it! Here's our chair. We didn't sand or stain it yet, but look at this. Got a chair. So a couple of tricks. This is what we learned. These panels, we really wanted to harvest this off the pallet. And you can see here are the 2x4s they were attached to in the pallet. So we hacked off the sides, which were 2x4s, which shrunk it just enough to fit our new width. And we cheated, and it worked out great. So we're rocking. This is my favorite chair. There you have it. Do I recommend this project? Most definitely. Find some pallets. Give yourself a half a day. You'll have a pallet chair.